Thank you. Thank you. Very good morning to all. I hope I'm audible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how you all are doing? Are you in good health?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
So, first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sangeeta Sharma, and currently I'm working with SRM University Chennai as a technical placement head. I'm taking care of Mumbai and Pune region for placements. So I'm taking care of all the companies that are in Mumbai and Pune and help students to get placements. So first of all, let me tell you, we all are in same phase when we start our career, right? And I started with very, I start in. So there's a lot of disturbance in the background. Can we mute it? Oh, it's better now. Okay. So I my schooling was like every 3 years I have to change the school because my dad was in army. So I got different background each and every 3 year. So that's how you will get speak to different people and you get used to interact with different people. So when you are in this young age, try that you try to interact with each and everyone in your batch or your seniors. So that should be done. And after schooling, I did my engineering in information technology, and after engineering, I started my career. So during engineering, also I was working with one of the company as a part time. So why I'm telling you this, because you are in your studies right now. So if you want, you can start something part time. Be try to be independent. So that would I suggest first, because if you start young, you will get more experienced, right? So after engineering, I got my first placement. That was with this company Emphasis, and I started working with Emphasis. That the profile was technical admin, and after Emphasis, I worked with Altisource Business Solutions. That was also into technical. And currently, you must be surprised that currently I'm working into placements, right? So how I got into placements from being in a technical field, right? Do you want to know? Okay. So I started as a software engineer, and after that, I was more interested into interact with people, solving their issues. So my company was like, why don't you move into HR? So that's how it started. And after that, when I came back to Gwalior, I got an opportunity with the ITM University, and there I worked for placements. So when I was working with ITM University, I thought, if I am into this human resource or placements or recruitment, why don't I uh, I should have a degree in management or HR, human resource as well. So that's how I got into Vikrant University, and I got my management degree from Vikrant University. And believe me, guys, you are into safe hand, because Vikrant University, all the teachers, all the professors, and all the staff members in administrator as well. So they're definitely going to support you if you are doing good. So at my time, I got a lot of support from each and everyone at Vikrant. So don't worry, you are in safe hand. You can start your career here, and let's come to this main topic that you're waiting for, how to get better career opportunities, right? You all must be waiting for this one. So first of all, whenever you start a course, right, you are in BBA or MBA or BCom, so you would have decided something after 12th, right? You would have three options, right? Either you want to do a job. Second, you want to pursue a higher career after your graduate degree. And third, you want to start your own business, and that's why you want to get to know all the details and you want to complete this course. So these three options are there for you. I'm sure you would have decided what you want to do. So if you are looking for a job, that you will be completing your course, and you want a job, a secure job, so there are a lot of things that you need to take care of. First, and very important, you need to work on your communication. If you are in a field of management, you need to work on your communication, because whenever you will be reaching a client, your boss, or your colleagues, you have to communicate, right? And if you are good at communication, you can be successful at any or any type of career, right? Be it in HR, be it in sales, be it in any other field. So first, and this is very important, that you need to work on your communication. Second, uh, which is very important, you have to start it now. You have to be proactive. That means you have to start from day one. This is your orientation, right? So you have to start from this day only, because you should be sure that what exactly you want to achieve, and to achieve that you have to start early. Suppose you want a job at EY, yeah. So you have to decide on certain things, that how you will get into this and what kind of profile you are looking for. So suppose you are looking for a profile of business analyst. So first of all, you will read about the profile, what exactly profile is, and what are the skills that would be required once you will be applying for this particular profile, right? Now, if you have started from this particular day, what all things that you need to do? First, I told you, go to the website of this company that you are looking for. Secondly, your LinkedIn profile is very important. Uh, can you raise your hand? How many of you have a LinkedIn profile? Okay, okay, great, great. Almost all of you have your LinkedIn profile, but it should be professional one. Like LinkedIn is a very professional platform. It's not like Facebook or Insta, correct? So there are certain things that you need to take care of. First, your profile picture of LinkedIn. It should be in your professional attire. Secondly, all the details should be there. I mean, what you have done, what you are doing currently, what you have done in past, what your education, and after that you need to follow certain pages that you are interested in, right? So suppose you want to apply for a job in Google. So first try to go to the Google page of LinkedIn, right? You will get details that which kind of profiles Google is offering for your particular course. So you will get to know the details that okay, these skill set are required for this particular profile. Secondly, on LinkedIn itself, there are a lot of free courses available that you can do, and that make a lot of difference in your profile. So whenever you complete a course, you will get badges on LinkedIn. that you can show. And whenever a company you apply for, it asks for your LinkedIn profile as well. So whenever you share your resume, they go to your LinkedIn profile, they see what you're doing, what all courses you have done. Because without without verification, LinkedIn will not accept any kind of certification. If you have done a course or you have some certification, when you post it on LinkedIn, it will ask for a verification, right? So LinkedIn is a verified kind of profile where your all the details are correct. They have to be correct. So whenever a company you apply for, they definitely visit your LinkedIn profile. So your LinkedIn profile should be strong. So you can get help from your alumni, your teachers, or you can ask them to review your profile. So that's how you can make your LinkedIn profile effective. Now, as I told you, there are thousands of courses available, even with Microsoft, even on LinkedIn, or there are a lot of other website also they are giving free courses. So you should do that. And now, in the very first, I told you that there's three different paths that you will be following, right? First, you were looking for a job, so I told you how you can get a good job. Secondly, if you are looking for this higher study, right? If after BBA you will be doing an MBA, so that for that also you have to follow the same path. I mean, you have to work on your communication. You will get better institute for your master degree. And if you have any doubt, if you want to start your own business, these all skills will definitely going to help you. Now, I mean, at my end, I have informed you each and everything that I am aware of. Let me know if you guys have any question for me. We can also put the question in chat if possible.
Those students have some queries they can ask with me, ask with the ma'am. Okay? Anybody interested to ask some questions? Yes, please. If you have any doubt, you can ask with her. If you have any doubt related to your career, you can ask with her. Yes, please. Come on, madam, please. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, currently I am pursuing CAT.
Okay.
So, ma'am, please give me advice and time, how to time manage my things.
How?
How can I manage my things? Like I am doing BBA also, and I want to do that. So
Uh,
how can I
okay.
manage?
First of all, tell me how, what exactly you want to do after pursuing your BBA.
I want to do MBA in IIM.
Okay. Okay, great. Uh, well, for that, there are few things that you need to take care of. You have to prepare well, right? You have to make a schedule,
Yes, ma'am.
because schedule is very important. You should be aware of what kind of uh, what kind of questions or what kind of test will be. So make a schedule and start prepare accordingly. Getting into an IIM is not that difficult, but you have to prepare well.
Yes, ma'am.
Secondly, I'll tell you again that work on your communication, because during the interview process, even if you clear this test, you will go for an interview, right? And where they will check your communication in different ways.
Ma'am,
So work on your communication.
ma'am, can you please tell what are the different ways?
Different ways for.
So you said na how?
Okay, how they will you check your communication?
Yes, ma'am.
So during the interview process, they will ask you different questions. They'll give you different situations, that how will you work in this particular situation. And at that time, you have to show your communication skill, because you can also get rejected at this time.
Yes, ma'am.
And how you can work on your communication? First of all, start watching English movies, right? And there are a lot of apps available where you can interact with the person in English. So you can start going to these websites or apps, and you can start communicating with other people in English. So that can definitely going to help.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
No problem. Any other question?
Guys, if you have any doubt, any questions related to your career and the personality, you can ask, and you can raise your hand and you can come on the dice for asking the question. Yes, Anjali, please.
Guys, it's a very good chance for you to actually raise your concerns and ask, because you will not get this experience again, right? If you have anything, any query whatsoever, you can go and you can actually ask the person who's already working in the industry. Please utilize this, right?
Yes. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Anjali Poli from BCom third semester. तो मेरा डाउट ये था कि जो हम इंडस्ट्री में जाते हैं लाइक फ्रेशर्स, तो हमें कैसे क्या मतलब अपने आप को मैनेज करना होता है, क्योंकि हमें कोई आइडिया तो होता नहीं है, और मतलब हमें कॉन्फिडेंस क्या करना है कैसे, तो हमें आइडिया, आपका क्या आइडिया है इसके?
Okay. See,
Nobody,
nobody's experienced, right? We all start with something and then we get an experience, right? So, जो भी company आपको hire करती है, they are aware that you are a fresher. You don't know all the things. So that's why we have this option of internship, right? So internship is very important, and I believe you guys went through the internship, right?
Yes.
So start take that internship very seriously. So during this internship, you will get to know about how working environment is, and how you can you should behave, how you should dress up, and how you should communicate to your boss, your colleagues, how to write an email. So you will get experience during internship.
Okay, ma'am.
So internship is very important. Before going for the first job, make sure to get into an internship.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
And guys, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Uh, you have different departments in your institute. So try to be part of each and every department or the department you are interested in. So try to help those department. We can say in-house internship kind of you can start within your institute. So that's also one of the things that you can do if you are not getting an internship. You can work in HR. You can work in your own department, right? You can work in UX. That's how you will start getting little experience.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
And when you're in the HRM sector, you are in the placement sector. So my question is, if you are going to hire someone, if you were to hire someone, what qualities would you look for in that person? How do you want that person to make the first impression? Because that is very important. And what type of characters should that person have? What attitude should that person have?
Okay. See, we get a feedback from a lot of HR for students, right? Whenever we invite a company for campus placement, uh, the students go into different, first of all, pre-screening. Pre-screening is your CV, right? So first of all, they will check your CV. Sir, can you mute the background? Yeah, okay. So first of all, they will check your CV, and your CV should be, in a proper format. There are different formats available online, but for a fresher, the format is like basic because you don't have any kind of experience, so it should be only one page CV. So during this online test, you know how the things are. There will be different kind of questions. They will be there in the test. After that, there will be HR round, or in technical they have technical round, or manager round. So any reporting manager will be interacting with you. So you're done with CV. Pre-screen. What are the things that he'll be observing? First, you should be on time. On time is very important. Secondly, your attire should be professional. Whatever you are wearing, it should not look casual. Third, how you greet, how you greet other person. That is also very important. Now, as you are in management, so they will definitely going to give you situations, that what you will be doing in this particular situation. So you have to be prepared on that. Last, how you end your interview. You have to say thank you for the opportunity, and you will be looking forward for working with the company. So that's how you end your interview, and you can make a good impression.
Okay, ma'am. Well, we are talking a lot about communication, and I have an introvert. If I don't have to talk, if there's no very good reason, I would prefer to just stay silent. And with this personality, it becomes quite difficult to talk people. I can't really have normal small talk with people. I would either have very deep conversation or something that's of value if I'm helping them. If you ask me to have a small talk, I just wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to think of what to say. What I just can't have a normal conversation with everyone. And with this personality, how should I greet someone? When I walk into the room for the interview, how should I greet them? And in an interview, it's a different thing because they will be asking questions. But your network is very important. So when I walk into a classroom or when I meet someone new, let's say I say, hello, how are you? What are you doing? What should I do after that? I can't think of anything to say, and most of the conversations that I have, I just get silent for a lot of time until the other person starts talking.
Yeah. Okay. See, as I informed in the very first place that you guys are starting now. So you have to be you have to start early. You have to be very proactive. So as you are in your first year currently, right? So start right now. As I told you that there are different apps available where you can go online and you can speak to people in English. That's how you will improve. And as you are in your first year, try to interact with as many people as you can, your classmates, your teachers, in English only. So that's how you will improve. And start watching different programs, English programs. That's the only way.
Yeah, well, what you're saying is about English speaking, and my English is pretty good. So what I am talking about is how do I have a normal conversation? Even in Hindi, I can have a normal conversation. I can think of a conversation.
I didn't get. Can you repeat the last line?
Well, I can't think of what to say. Let's say I'm talking to you. I know I have a problem. I need the solution. I need your help. Well, if we were to talk normally, I wouldn't be able to say anything. I wouldn't be able to think of anything to say.
So that's you will learn. That you will learn gradually. You can't start in a day. Once you will start communicating each day, you will learn and you will get an experience. You just need to start working.
Last question. कोई अगर पूछना चाह रहे यस Anila, this is Dr. Rahul.
जी.
लास्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं हम लोग आपने बिजी है
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Nancy Lamuni. Ma'am, my question is how to deal with anxiety during the interview?
How to?
Deal with anxiety during interview.
I didn't get that. Can you repeat?
Anxiety, ma'am. How to deal with anxiety?
Anxiety.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, can you mute the background? Okay, so whenever it means that whenever you try to communicate with someone, you get anxiety and you're not able to speak. That's what you want to say, right? Okay, got it. So see, the interviewer who is sitting in front of you, it's very normal with him that he interview a lot of thousands of candidates each and every day, and he's facing like you guys, freshers, they who not aware of each and everything. So you don't have to worry about it. He knows that you don't know things, and that's why they have this training program, right? First, you will work on probation for 3 to 4 months. Any company say that you have to work on probation for 6 months. So you don't have to be anxious that okay, what he will be thinking. You don't have to worry about it because he is aware that you are fresher. You are not aware of each and everything that company is operating on. They'll give you training. So why you get anxiety? Just keep this thing in your mind that he is aware of me, that I don't know. Even if you don't know anything during interview, they'll ask you any question you're not aware of. Say I don't know. It will not affect your interview, right?
Okay, thank
You
you.
don't need to worry about anything.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the great session.
Thank you guys for listening to me, and thank you Rahul sir for giving me this opportunity to interact with each and everyone. Again, I'll be repeating myself the three important things that you need to take care of: your communication, your LinkedIn profile, and decide on very first day that what you want to achieve.
थैंक यू सो
That's
मच.
it.
थैंक यू सो मच. बच्चों, इसकी साइड आप लोगों को नहीं पता होगी. ही इज अ फॉर द विक्रांत यूनिवर्सिटी. कुछ बच्चों को थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन सीनियर स्टूडेंट ऑफ माइन. So that is a big achievement for us. He's working at SRMC University Chennai as a placement officer right now. तो बच्चों, फ्यूचर में हम प्रयास करेंगे कि आपके साथ में ऐसे ऐसे जो हमारे सीनियर हमें जो प्लेसमेंट में फ्यूचर में मदद करेंगे और आपके साथ में डिफरेंट इंटरेक्शन कराएं. थैंक यू सो मच संगीता
Thank you,
फॉर
sir.
योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम्स फॉर अस. डेफिनेटली फ्यूचर में हम लोग फिजिकली कभी हम लोग बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्शन करेंगे.
Yeah.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. All the best.